you can learn Jingle Bells by rote. There's 4 parts, and we're going to play it on the black keys. Watch me and follow along. Part number 1. Did you notice that we started on the group of 3, the top note in the group of 3, and there's a place where we have to switch hands? Follow along again. Now it's time for part 2. In part 2, we're going to play a white key with our left thumb. It's the white key right next to that group of 3 black keys. And we're going to play that key 5 times. Watch the pattern. Did you catch that? I'll do it again really slow. 5 times for the white key. All right, now it's time for part 3. And guess what? Part 3 is the same as part 1. So I'm going to play all 3 parts one after the other. Now you are ready for part number 4. We're going to play that white key again 5 times, but the notes that come after it are just a little different. Here we go, part 4. I'll go very slow. How did you do? Let's watch the whole thing. Don't worry if you didn't get it the first time. Just watch the video again and soon you'll be playing Jingle Bells.